Today I'd like to review for you the Moroccan Gold Series Deep Treatment Mask. This is a wonderful mask. It comes in a very large 8.45 ounce size, which is the one that I purchased. It is a deep hydrating argan oil hair mask for dry, damaged, color treated curly hair enriched with keratin, sulfate free natural hair repair treatment. I truly love using this on a weekly basis. It is great for my dry, damaged hair. It is conditioning, hydrating, nourishing, revitalizing, softening. It helps with split ends, and it has been a great treatment mask. I will wash my hair and then put this in and let it sit for about 10 minutes or so, and then go rinse it out, and my hair just feels beautiful. And I have really enjoyed it, and it's going to be great for the winter months. The Argan Oil Hair Mask. Argan oil is really good for dry hair, and so I love that it has it in there. So this is something that is a great addition to your bathroom to really help nourish your hair, even if you only have to put it on the ends. It's a great product. Put it in your cart today.